Snowflake, what you doing?
I said I'm feeling
What
good.
you doing?
Yeah. I said I have well, like I said, the burping was a little wet a couple days this week. That was kind of a nuisance. Nothing. My throat burned a little bit, and but that's quick. So and no other new symptoms. So I'm
tired.
hopeful that since nothing else has changed, that it's the same size.
Baby boy.
Yeah. 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 Like I said, I could, it's 3-4 days that I'm sick, but then